Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can make Midjourney more realistic and it will create more realistic facial expression and images. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Midjourney and here let's type in a prompt. So just type slash imagine and then just press the tab button and it will do everything for you. Now you are ready to put in the prompt. So all the so to make the mid-journey more realistic, you will have to work on your prompt. I have prepared a prompt for you and you can just paste that in your Discord server. So let me show you. So this is the prompt and here you can type in whatever person you want to create using this mid-journey. So I have typed portrait of a Muslim man in mosque. You can type anything you want here and then these are the important steps. You can see clear facial expressions, so this will make prominent every facial expression of the person and then type in cinematic. Then you can type in the lens you want to use and I have typed in the aperture 1.8, and then the most important part is this uplight and version 4. Don't forget to use these dash dash when you are using uplight and V4. And if this version 4 doesn't work for you and shows you error, you can just remove this and this doesn't matter that much. So after you are done, just press the enter key and it will generate the images for you. And there you can see, that's how you can make Midjourney more realistic. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.